Hello my babies, welcome back to another video. Hi, if you're new, my name is Esther and it's so good to have you guys tuning in. So in today's video, it is all about this beautiful classic fall makeup look. I wanted to match with my sweater, of course. If you're new here, I love matching my makeup looks with my outfits. So this is just one of those things I was like, okay, orange, yes, perfect for fall, but I love how this makeup look turned out. It was super easy to do. The only hard part I feel like you will struggle on if you're not good with your wing liners. That's probably the hardest part, but I always say practice makes perfect, y'all, because sometimes I still struggle with my wing liner. But this one turned out really bold, really stunning. As always, all the details to everything will be in the description box, and this video will be a voiceover. Grab yourself a snack, tea, whatever, get comfortable, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so jumping into the makeup, I actually did my brows off camera just to save a little bit of time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatches on this Glowish Multidew skin tint. So I am swatching shade 10, shade 11 deep, and then I'm gonna go ahead and swatch shade 12 rich. I went ahead and just picked shade number 10 in the middle. I felt like that was perfect because I usually highlight super bright, and that was honestly the best route. It's gonna be a little bit off, but y'all already know how it goes. I pull it off at the end of this video. So I am grabbing this Farsali 24K moisturizing gel cream. This stuff is so freaking good, but the sad story is I don't think Farsali actually sells this product anymore, but I'm still going to link their website down below, and I'm going to try to find this cream. It's really good. For primer, I'm trying out something new, and this is from Huda Beauty. This is their Glowish Blur Jam Silicone Free Smoothing Primer. So this product is new. Oh my gosh, y'all, it felt so good on the skin. This product is actually good for the pores as well, and I love how mattifying it is, that it's not drying. So I don't know about you guys, I normally don't even grab mattifying primers, but when I do, the ones I do be grabbing be feeling too drying on the skin and also be flaky. I don't know. I don't know if it's just me, but it be doing that. So for me to find this type of primer that's still mattifying but has a really nice smooth texture and leaves my skin really buttery and soft, I am definitely going to be using this product again. So to color correct, I went ahead and grabbed this Sigma Symptom Color Correcting Duo, and this is in the shade medium to dark, and they also have a darkest shade, dark to deep. I don't really color correct as much, and when I do, I usually grab the Sigma, or I also grab this other one that's more orange. I can't think of the brand right now. Oh my gosh, I can't think of them. So we're going to jump into the face. I am grabbing that Glowish Multidew skin tint. I was really nervous applying this product on my skin because I was like, man, it's a little bit off on the shade, but you know what, we're just going to try to pull it off. So I wanted to apply this on the points where I would contour, so this would actually look really good as a bronzer, and then I apply the other shade on the points where I would highlight. I think that's something I would try on another video, or just on oh my gosh, on another day. Tongue twister. But I'm blending this all smoothly. It looks so good on the skin. I'm shook. I mean, your girl loves a good skin tint. So when we find a good skin tint on this channel, I would so recommend this. I still have it on my skin right now, and it's currently about to be 8 o'clock. Still looks flawless, girl. Still looks good. So to highlight, obviously I had to grab the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer, and this is in the shade 17. This is their Magic Touch concealer. You can actually use this as a foundation. I've done a full face using just this concealer. The coverage on this is so good. The formula is amazing. I mean, it blends really good, and again, the coverage is out of this world. So if you haven't grabbed this concealer yet, I need y'all to run to your closest Ulta, your closest Sephora, and get this concealer. You will not be disappointed. It is so freaking good and very easy to blend. So I'm gonna go ahead and set with the Mercier translucent setting powder. This is something I always grab. I realize it's probably one of my favorite setting powders that I have in my makeup collection. Like, I can't put this down. It's always right in front of my face. So I'm like, you know what? I know y'all tired. I think I need to switch it up a little bit. Stop using this, but it's just so good. So for bronzer, I grabbed the Kylie Cosmetics Tanned and Gorgeous Press Bronzer bronzing powder. This has been hidden in my makeup collection. Like, I haven't used this girl since, I don't know, it's been years. but I wanted to use it in today's video because, girl, it's been years, right? So I'm going to go ahead and use that bronzer to also work it all over my eyelids because I wanted to add a little bit of color. I wanted to keep the eyes very neutral, but I did not want to keep it bare. And this is the part where I was like, okay, the face looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. We pulled it off, y'all. We pulled it off. So for highlight, I'm going to grab this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid glow highlight, and I'm just gonna apply this with my hands. This glow is so beautiful. In general, this highlight goes very good with your fingers. Just the way it melts into the skin, you guys, it honestly just looks like I'm glowing. It doesn't look like I applied product on my skin. I don't know about y'all, but I don't know. It looks pretty good. Hey, looks good. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and grab a blush. I was debating whether to apply blush or not, but then I decided, you know what? Since I have this Huda Beauty Glowish Cheeky Soft Glow Powder Blush, I think I went ahead and grabbed the shade Charming Cherry. And I did not apply much blush at all because I wanted to keep the face very natural looking, very me-like. Didn't want to go too heavy-handed with the blush. Now, don't get it twisted though. I be going heavy-handed, okay? So before I move to the eyes again, I'm going to go ahead and set with the Too Faced setting spray. Gotta make sure everything is all locked in and not going to move. So we're going to jump into the eyes. Now, I did the eyeliner last because I was honestly debating whether I wanted to do this wing liner or not. I thought I was just gonna pop in some lashes and just do that beautiful ombre lip, but the eyes was too bare. So I'm gonna give myself a nice little wing. Now my camera did go dead on me once I was trying to do the second eye, but here is how the first eye went down. I have been loving to do my wing liners with a gel formula instead of a liquid. I realize I have more grip while doing a gel liner because I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I still struggle doing my wing liners. It's crazy, but I still struggle. And another reason is I don't do them as much. So the less I do them, the more I struggle because I be forgetting how to do a wing liner. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab this mascara, and this is the Too Faced mascara. And I'm also trying out some new lashes in today's video. It's actually one of you guys. I have had these since I think last year. She actually was kind enough to send me a PR of a lot of lashes. So if you guys ever want to send me your lashes, or you have a lash line and you want me to rock your lashes, send them my way. Just DM me on my Instagram, but they have to be lashes that I actually like. I'm just being honest. I don't like those dramatic. I don't like that. I don't like nothing too much. But for lips, I am going to go ahead and outline my lips with this Rare Beauty Kind Words lip liner in the shade Strong, and it's just a beautiful rich chocolate. And to top it all off, I'm grabbing this Makeup Forever liquid lipstick in the shade Everlasting Scarlet. This is literally the best orange reddish undertone that I've ever had on my lips. So I'm grabbing that lip liner and just blending that together to give me that ombre effect that I'm going for. And then to clean up, going back into that brush and then dabbing that liquid lipstick back on my lips to blend everything all out. And y'all, this is how the lips look. I was like, yes, give it to them. Perfect. But it's not over yet, y'all. It's not over yet. I had to grab this Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette because I wanted to add a little bit of just that nice orange touch to my crease. Something was missing. So that's pretty much it, you guys, for this makeup look. I love how everything turned out, and this is why it's called a classic fall makeup. Anyone can achieve this, honey. I would so rock this on an everyday basis this fall. You guys want to get this look, don't forget to check out all the details to everything in the description box. As always, I love you guys so much, and I'll pin a sana, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, beautiful.